Oh, hey, excuse me, sir. Do you live around here?
Yes.
How much rent do you pay?
Nothing.
Nothing?
Nope.
Mind if I take a look at your house?
What house?
Your house.
Oh,
Okay.
yeah, free. Free house.
It was a free?
Yeah.
I thought you said you paid 50 cents.
Because on Instagram you find lots of free houses.
Yeah?
I've come to Japan
Cool.
to get one.
I'm looking forward to see it. I'm really excited.
That's how it is that way.
You're getting me so pumped up. You're getting me pumped up. All right. Is this your house here?
No.
Oh, okay.
Expensive.
That one's too expensive. That was $2.
Yeah.
Where's your house then? That's your house?
Follow me inside.
Wow, what a super gem.
Don't mind the mess.
Well, here we are today, folks. I'm with John,
As usual.
as usual. As per usual, but this is my house property number 10. Probably my second cheapest property in which is kind of near Tokyo, just outside of Tokyo in Saitama. This is not the house here, but this is a crap hole. This street, as you can see, is, I guess somebody just built this. This wasn't here before, I don't believe, but it's not a normal street, so which makes this house non-rebuildable, unfortunately. Whoa, whoa! What happened here?
Fence?
Oh, wow! Look at that, folks. It burned down. Hope my house is still standing. Hi everyone. This was a hard video to make. What started out as just a fun little humorous joke with John and his property he bought turned out to be a sad thing, as we had no clue what was in store. Yeah. It's sad that, you know, I had I just met the guy July 27th, I think, according to my video I recorded there, and I'm not going to put him in the video, but you can hear his voice or see the house he lived in the window. He was next door, you know, and I didn't know the guy very well, but the couple of times I met him, he was really, really super friendly. And it just so happens that day he made the neighbor and I a carrot juice, which we enjoyed. Yeah, you know, that was the end of July, so what's that? Just say August, September, October, November, December, January, February, March. Okay, so 7 months after I saw him, he died on my birthday. And at first, I obviously thought that the fire started in the old house next door that we pretended to be John's Akiya. Because that house has been sitting there, I said 20 in the video, but it's probably been 40 years. You know, like the house is super, super old. Really old. You can just tell anyways. Just, yeah, all the stuff outside or what have you looks really, really old. It looks like the house has been abandoned for a long time. And, you know, I thought that was the cause of the fire. I thought it might be something to electrical or something like that. Because I always warned people in the neighborhood, let's do something, you know. And, of course, people can't do anything, or they just don't want to get involved. Japanese people don't want to cause problems. I mean, I get it, because I don't want to either. But that's just a massive risk to the neighborhood. And ironically, it actually wasn't the start of the fire. It was the old man himself. Unfortunately, you know, we thought it could be electrical wiring, all these different things, smoking, what have you. No. The guy just happened to put a blanket over one of those gas heaters and it caught fire. You know, I don't even know. You know, life is just that fragile. So be thankful, everybody, and rest in peace, buddy. Rest in peace, man. You know, this is not the first time I've had neighbors died on me. I've many neighbors die on me, and it always hits hard because it's funny enough. Every time it's happened, I've get to know them for like 6 months to a year, and then you find out they're gone. And 90% of those, well, actually 100% of those people who died on me were all great people. You know, people who were involved in World War II, what have you. Just a kind neighbor who helped me with my gardening and gave me plants for it. It's happened to me at least 5 times. Not to mention the one next door to me now who, you know, passed away due to his own circumstances. It's never easy. You know, me getting old stuff, you start to think about these things. And you got to appreciate your neighbors. So, yeah. I'm a lighthearted guy, very lighthearted. I like to have humor and jokes. Take life seriously sometimes, but don't take it seriously sometimes. You know, you got to find that balance. You know, when something hard happens, you take it seriously. But other times, you just have a laugh about it, have a good time, because you only live once. So, that just really caught me, because I did not expect that. On my birthday, he died. The fire happened. March 1st. Wow. So, appreciate life, guys, and, yeah. And, you know, that's the danger of having fires in your neighborhood. One house got totally destroyed. The one behind, the one next to it, and the one across the way. And the one next to my house actually had damage. So a bunch of houses actually got damaged. I didn't know that because I can't see. The outside, you can see the blocking of the window. One of those, what are they called? Grates was burnt. I didn't even notice it in my video until later. And the second floor of the other house got torched a bit. So, yeah, they got a lot of insurance to take care of that, cover those things up. But it wasn't easy. So, just appreciate everything, boys and girls. All right. Thanks for watching. Wow. Anyhow, we came here to check out my house number 10 to see if he's still here, because I asked him to get out. This guy hasn't paid rent in 2 years. Never be nice to people. Sometimes, a lot of times it doesn't pay off. Just insane to see that the house is burnt to the crisp, and this one over here is totally gone. It's really too bad to see what happened, you know. I thought they were fixing the house, but apparently they weren't. They were just tearing it down. And this guy won't do anything about his house. So even though this house burnt down, I think they started here, the fire, and it affected here. But luckily the neighbor's house over here didn't get affected, and my house didn't get affected. We got lucky there. Very lucky, I think, unless part of the side got affected. We'll take a peek down here. Ooh. I didn't realize she had a back. House is kind of old, but still standing. I didn't realize they had access to a road over there. That's pretty neat. So yeah. And this house over here didn't get affected. Oh wow. That's crazy. Oh. That's dangerous up there. Look how that's just hanging there. It's just dangling. It's gonna fall any minute. Look at the roof up there. I'm gonna zoom in. Look at that. They're just hanging there. The fact that this guy won't do anything about the house is insane. He said he doesn't want to bother with it. According to the neighbor, he wants to ignore it. because it's a waste of money and waste of time, so he's just leaving it as he already lives somewhere else. It's pretty sad because this neighbor can get affected by that. If all that stuff fell down, it's going to bounce off that house. It's literally just dangling there. That's just too bad. Wow. That wall is just literally hanging right there. Well, at least this house doesn't have termites yet. That's too bad. Look at that. It's crazy up there. Apparently the owner of this house is a dick. He just didn't care. He came to look at it. And this fire happened right on my birthday, March 1st. And here I am standing in an open piece of land where the fire started. You just never know, man. I mean, that house, when I first bought this house, that house was really old to begin with. 新しい家ですか？壊してるんですか？直してる。こっち火事になった時はあっちもなったんですか？ちょっとあった？なるほど。火事はもともとこっちだったかな？ここだったでこっちになってる。この人は危なくないの？この辺見て。そう、これ倒したらあっちに当たるんですよ。なんで直さないかな？ちょっと怖い。Well, he said there's a little damage on that house and they're fixing it. Yeah, the last time I came here, I met the old guy. Well, the first time I came here. He was a nice guy, made me a juice. We talked with this neighbor over here about the issue I'm having at my place. And then the next time I came, this house was burnt down. It was covered. And I thought they were rebuilding it, but no, apparently they're taking it down. Because here's the third time I came. And now it's gone. And according to this neighbor over here, she said that he came, he looked, he said he's not doing anything, he just left it. Which is too bad. What a waste. What a total waste. And of course, I'm having my own issues with my own house here. Which you already know, or will be in a future video, either or. We'll see. House number 10. It's the lucky, cursed house. It's the house that got me to 10, that got me on this journey of kick assets. But it's also my worst property. Well, maybe worst, but in the sense that I've just had really bad luck with it from the start. Yeah, unfortunately. Hi. ありがとうございます。これ人参？
ジュースなんだろう。いつもあれしてもらってるから。この辺は何仲いいんだけどね。
美味しいね。
あ、美味しい。ごちそうさま。
優しい。窓から来たね。
ここから出入って。いないいない。はい。美味しいね。いい格好。
ちょうどいい。暑いからちょうどいいですよ、これ。Well, got some free carrot juice. Just in case you want to know what burnt. That is burnt. The nails are still in it. And you got this thing here. Wow. Burnt insulation, burnt wood, burnt everything. Hey, this thing managed to stay up. That's funny. That's too bad.